Hey YouTube. Here we go. It's Libby. Can you guys see me? Okay. Haven't been on here in some time. I'm still doing all right. Last I weighed myself. I was 325, and that actually was probably at the beginning of this week. Excuse me, I am sleepy, but I'm about to head to the gym. I'm trying not to weigh myself every day, which was a bad habit that I had, and really was just making me miserable. So I haven't weighed since I think Monday or maybe even Tuesday. I'm not sure, but I didn't weigh this today or yesterday, and I was really proud of myself for not doing it. So it becomes addiction. It has become addiction for me, weighing every day, and I don't think weighing every day is smart. Not for me anyway. I've been going to the gym regularly. Have upped my visits to the gym. Last time I talked to the doctor said that I should, not the doctor, but the nutritionist said that I should go to the gym at least 5 days a week. So, not go to the gym, she said work out 5 days a week. And I thought about, I can work out at home. I got the Billy Blank CD, but if I'm at home, I'm not going to do it. I always feel bad going in, like, oh, I'm so tired, I don't want to go. Then once I get there, I usually feel really good and very proud of myself, of my accomplishments. My endurance has increased so much. I'm telling you, I can only do 2 minutes, two minutes on the elliptical. Now I'm up to 6. I know that's not like woohoo, but I could do 6 non-stop. So that's big for me. I do the treadmill on 3.0, and that's big for me. And I do that for about 45 minutes workout. I do between the treadmill, the elliptical, and the bike. I do 45 minutes, and then I do lightweight lifting. Mostly back and arm crunches. I've noticed such a big change in myself. I can wear 24s from Kohl's. I haven't went anywhere else and tried no 24s on, but I can wear 24s now. And the first day I could get into a 24, I was just like, oh my God. Larry was on the other side of the store, and I called him on my cell phone. I said, get over here now. I said, look at this, I'm in a size 24. So first I thought it was just those one jeans, which were stretchy. They had some give to them. So I went and picked up every 24, and I could fit every last one of them. The dog here, Larry, coming in. So I am very proud of myself for being able to fit into those 24s, and I was able to fit into this shirt, which is a 3X out of Kohl's. I have never been able to shop at Kohl's that I can remember. So to be able to shop at Kohl's, that's big to me. I remember a girlfriend of mine. We went to high school together, and she both of us was big girls. And the first time she was able to shop at the Gap, she called me on the phone, and she called me crying. And she's like, Libby, oh my God, I just bought something out the Gap. I could wear a size 14. And I was so proud and happy for her, because I knew that feeling. If you're not a big person, you don't know how it is to outgrow a store, to outgrow a car, to outgrow a plane seat or a movie seat. I could sit in a movie seat with no problems now. I could sit beside Larry in a movie seat, because we're both real big, and if you sit beside one another, you're all up on each other. We can sit side by side and watch a movie comfortably. It's crazy. So it's the little things that count so much. Oh, and we can sit at a booth. We used to go to a restaurant, we had to have a table. We can sit at booths. So it's just awesome, those changes. And now I wish the scale would just go down, but I'm still working on it. And I'll head to the gym tonight, and I might take a little video at the gym. I don't know. I might. Anyway, I'm going to give you guys a body shot. Okay, hold on. I don't know if you can see me or not. I don't know. I hope you can see me. I don't know. I'm using my daughter's camera. Alright, I see myself in the mirror. See me. Can you see me? I don't know if you can see me or not. This mirror, this camera, I don't know if you can see me or not, but if you can, cool. If you can't, sorry. I'm going to hit the gym now. Maybe I'll have Larry take a full body shot on me later. Wish me luck, because I am so tired and I don't feel like one, but I'm going to go. See ya. Bye.